Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kresencia M. Cruz from grade 11 Einstein, and today I'm going to tackle the topic about rules of limits. You're probably here because you're having a hard time with it, or you're probably having a hard time continuing with the complex topic about limits. But don't you worry, because we're going to talk about it in this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, today we're going to discuss the basic rules of limits. For our first thing, the objectives. This video aims to make solving limits easier for students as they pass through several complex topics with limits. At the end of this video, the learner is expected to have enough skills and knowledge about the basic rules of limits. Let's say that if limit of f of x as x approaches to a is equal to m, and the limit of g of x as x approaches to a is equal to n, then we have this constant rule. Let's say it's the limit of k multiplied by f of x as x approaches to a equal to k multiplied by m. For example, we have the limit of 3 as x approaches to 1 equal to 3. Basically, what it means that the limit of a constant is the constant itself. We have here is the sum rule. We have the limit of f of x plus g of x as x approaches to a equal to m plus n. Now we have the limit of 5x plus 2x as x approaches to 1. We have to find the limit of the given function. With that, we have to substitute 1 into x. We have 5 plus 2, and now we have the limit of 5x plus 2x as x approaches to 1 equal to 7. Same goes for the difference rule. It has a limit of f of x minus g of x as x approaches to a equal to m minus n. For the example, we just have to substitute again, and now we have the limit of 4x minus 3x as x approaches to 1 equal to 1. Next up is the product rule, wherein we have the limit of fx multiplied by g of x as x approaches to a is equal to m multiplied by n. We also have this quotient rule. We have the limit of f of x over g of x as x approaches to a equal to m over n. For our example, you can see that we just substituted -1 and then proceeded to the indicated operation. We have the limit of 4x squared multiplied by 2x as x approaches -1 equal to -8. And for the quotient rule, we have the limit of 4x over 2x as x approaches -1 equal to 2. Next thing we have here is the power rule. We have the limit of f of x raised to n as x approaches a is equal to m raised to n. For example, we have the limit of 2x raised to x as x approaches 2. We just have to substitute again, and now we have 4 raised to 2. So the limit of 2x is 2. For the root rule, we have the limit of nth root of f of x is equal to the nth root of m as x approaches to a. For example, we have the limit of square root of x as x approaches to 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So the limit of square root of x as x approaches 4 is 2. Now it's your time to try. Find the limit of the following functions. You can pause this video to add more time, but next to this slide is the answer key, where you feel free to correct your answers. For the answer key, we have number 1, the answer is 10. Number 2, it's 4. Number 3, it's 1. And for number 4, it's 4. For number 5, it's 2. You did well! Remember to find first the limit of the given functions before using the indicated operation. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope to see you soon on our next videos. Bye!